नाउ दिस थिंग टुक मी एन ईयर, पूरा एक साल लगा मुझे ये चीज़ सीखने और समझने में। So what's up guys, and how is it going? And in today's video, this is gonna be a very different topic, and this is all about procrastination. Now you might be wondering what is procrastination, मतलब क्या होता है ये इतना बड़ा word, and it's like thinking and overthinking. It's like a trap to your creativity. What I'm gonna tell you today is going to be a little different. Now this thing took me an year. पूरा एक साल लगा मुझे ये चीज़ सीखने और समझने में कि I could do something which it took me years of overthinking, and then a year of implementation, and then I could achieve that goal right now in just 3 to 4 hours. That's the power of action versus procrastination. So procrastination, matlab, it's like a trap of overthinking where you get one thought after another and another and another, and there's a vicious circle which is made, which would stop you from creating anything.
You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain, but you feel it. You felt it your entire life. That there's something wrong with the world. You don't know what it is, but it's there, like a splinter in your mind, driving you mad. It is this feeling that has brought you to me.
Trust me guys, if you are into anything, this trap will stop you from, going anywhere. Since this Diwali, like last Diwali, I had thought कि I would go ahead and create a nice superb intro for my channel, and that's how I had, I wanted to get that intro out, and then I would start vlogging, and then I would make some cinematic awesome say travel wale vlogs and everything. पर हुआ ये कि I couldn't get myself that intro created. बहुत सारे tutorials देखे, बहुत सारा lessons learn किया, like going around with After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, Adobe, Apple Motion. So Apple Motion is basically an alternative to After Effects, Apple's answer to After Effects of Adobe. So I tried to create a lot of stuff. बस script लिखा कि how my intro should go, how it would be. But this never happened. This was like in 2018, and now 2019 I have an intro. The other day I just came in from my night shift, and I had decided that आज मुझे intro बनाना ही है. After a year, now I go, I sit down on my system, and I mean not sit down on my system, but I sit for editing some video. Then happened so, intro के ideas zub started coming in, and then I got these ideas. I made an intro, and boom, that was it. 4K में intro बन गया. Within how much time? Within 3 to 4 hours. बस मुझे सोने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो गई उस वक्त, but within 3 to 4 hours my intro was done. It was on my channel. Right now I'll show you that. And here's my intro, my first intro for my channel, for this Life with Viraj. It's my intro which I created out of my own thoughts and imaginations and creativity. So please go ahead and watch that intro, and happy Diwali, by the way. I couldn't wish, by the time you would be watching this video, Diwali would be like, it would be a last day of Diwali or something, like tomorrow is the, so right now I'm shooting on my actual vlogging setup, plus what you can see there, that's my phone camera, which is like for the BTS and all, and that's about it. ये lighting हर जगह से lights मैंने डाले हुए हैं, and this is thankfully this is the Diwali lighting what I have in my backdrop. And now that's my cat pouncing everywhere. But any which ways I had to do what I had to do. I made this video just to show you the intro. And intro coming in 3, 2 and 1. So guys, that was the intro. Let me know how do you like it. If you like it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm gonna come up with a lot of the things what you saw in the intro. And also there will be a lot of travel vlogs going forward. There will be a lot of many things going forward which I'm planning to do with this channel, and in regards with the entire creative lifestyle, moving up and finding your tribe and uplifting yourself out of any dark place or dark corner you are in this life. So I'm just this is entirely how I'm planning to shape up this channel, Life with Viraj. When I mean Life with Viraj, it's going to be a mix and blend of many things, and that's what I am. And that would be it, I think. Hope to see you in the next one very soon. I'm making this schedule of posting videos every week. Let's see if the weekly schedule is successful. Then there's another target and another goal to achieve, to post more frequently, like not dailies, but definitely not daily vlogs. I'm not yet in game for that because I'm working as well. So I have to put food on the table for me, my wife and my cat. Most importantly, my cat. So I don't want to see that cat going hungry. And so if you like it, please go ahead and like my content, guys, because that's all I have. That's all I know how to create videos. That's it. And other than that, life is good, life is beautiful. Go ahead and enjoy it. Happy Diwali. By the way, I'm gonna snack on some of the Diwali preparations, but these are not Diwali sweets for me. They are just, I like spicy stuff in Diwali. And for last like 7 to 8 months ago, I was vegan. I had taken up a vegan oath. Now I'm out of it because I cannot maintain that lifestyle. Like, this is this is vegetarian, and kind of some of the items would be vegan in this, but then they would contain some gluten or something like that. But any which ways, my bulletproof coffee is on, so I don't have to worry much about the weight and everything. So I'm just like, just chill, guys. Like, And while filming this video, I had to nibble on something. I don't know. Happy Diwali, guys. See you in the next one. Cut. Zen. Cut.